Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce bolognese. We'll begin by creating a flavorful base, known as a soffritto, using finely diced onion, carrot, and celery. Next, we'll brown about 1 pound of ground meat, often a delicious combination of beef and pork, to add depth. Finally, we'll incorporate 28 ounces of high-quality canned tomatoes, ensuring a rich and authentic sauce for your pasta. To truly develop the rich flavors of your bolognese, we'll deglaze the pan with about 1 cup of dry red wine or, for a creamier texture, whole milk. This step is crucial for scraping up all those delicious brown bits. Then, we'll introduce a bay leaf and a small pinch of nutmeg, which adds a wonderful, subtle warmth. The key to a great bolognese is patience, so let it simmer gently for at least 2 to 3 hours. As your bolognese nears completion, it's time to perfect its taste. Carefully adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra touch of creaminess and a smoother finish, you can stir in a small splash of whole milk or a bit of heavy cream. This sauce is traditionally served over wide, flat pasta shapes such as tagliatelle or pappardelle, which are perfect for holding the rich sauce. For the most delicious bolognese, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients. They truly make a difference. Remember that patience is key. Cooking the sauce slowly over low heat allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Consider making a larger batch than you need, as bolognese freezes exceptionally well. This way, you'll have a wonderful homemade meal ready for a busy evening, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.